So in this video we will actually be using Python to interact with our MySQL database. In the previous video I have explained how to do stuffs with MySQL. For example, to create table, insert data to table and all the CRUD operation. You can check that video out. Now I will start with explaining my Python file, and I will actually import this class to another Python file, so to actually implement my logic to that file and save that data to my MySQL database. So I will start with showing you what my class does. So I have created these functions in this class. The createDB functions creates a practice database where all your tables will be stored. Create table actually creates a table with the query of creating a table that you pass. For example, in the previous video I have created this table employee with these constraints. You can check that out. And after that, insert a single data tuple to my MySQL database, and insert a list of tuples to my MySQL database. And selects a particular row for the table. From the table, select all, returns all the rows from the table. And you have to pass queries and parameters. I have defined these, and I will be sharing this file in my GitHub repository and add link to it in the description box, so you can check that out. And updates the rows of my database. You can see here I will be using I have it actually uses this query, and my cursor actually executes this query and commit it to my database using con. This con is a connection that I have created in my init. So I will just start with showing you how to work with this file one by one. So I will actually create when I create an object of this operation class, it creates a practice database and use practice and executes the command use practice. So I will just run this file. So as you can see, oh sorry, drop database was also. So here you can see my database was created and practice. I will be showing you how my database looks like. Show databases. Here practice database was created. Now for example, if I want to create a table, I have to pass this query to my create table function. So I will just run this. So my table was created. I will show you the table. Show tables. Sorry, use practice, show tables, and describe employee. As you can see, there are 3 columns, and after that I will insert one tuple to my table employee. So I will just run it. So number of rows updated are 1. I will just check that out if the data was added to my employee table. So I will do select star from employee. As you can see, the data was added. So what I will be doing next is I will just create table. After insert 1, I will just insert many tuples to my database in this form. So I will just execute this. So number of rows inserted are 5. I will check the same in my database. Here you can see 5 rows are inserted. Now for an instance, if I want to select a particular row from the table, In this case, I am actually selecting a row where the name of the employee is Jack, so that will be this row. I will run this query. Here you can see for Jack similar thing was selected. Oh sorry, system engineer I said. Oh sorry, Jake, not, I was talking about Jack, not Jake. Okay, my bad. So after selecting one row, for an instance, if I want to select all the rows from the table, I will be executing select all, and you have to pass a select star from table that you have created query in this function. So I will execute this. Here you can see all the rows have been selected. So after that I will update the name of the Jack to Zach. Here Jack to Zach. I will run this file. Rows is updated. Now I will check that out. Here you can see Zach. Now what I have to do after updation, I will just delete a row where designation is full stack 1. Okay, so here you can see one row is deleted. I will just check that out. Same, here you can see full stack 1 and here it is deleted. Now I will drop the table. Here you have to do the same stuff in all these functions. I have also created a doc string of the class. You can check that out here. I have created a doc string for that. So I will be just executing this query. So my table was deleted. I will just do show tables. So you can see here it is an empty set. Now I will just drop this database. So here you can see database was deleted. I will do show database. Show databases. As you can see, practice database was deleted. I will be using this Python file to actually create a lot more projects in the future videos. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.